The Right Stuff Brake Company, we manufacture high quality and high performance disc brake conversion kits and also pre-bent fuel and brake lines for the American muscle car and trucks. In today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a kit that we call At the Wheels. And what that means is it includes everything that you see here to either upgrade or replace old drum brakes or upgrade and replace leaky and worn out disc brake kits. It does not include master cylinders or brake boosters. If your car already has those things, you just won't need those. This kit includes everything else at the wheel. The neat thing about this kit is that this kit will fit underneath. If your car has a 14-inch or larger wheel, it'll fit behind those wheels if those wheels were made to clear disc brakes. The other thing is all these components are new and are high quality. They're all matched to work and fit together, so it's exactly what you need. It has everything you need to put this thing on your car once you get your box. All you have to do is grease the bearings and bleed the brakes, put it on, and you're ready to roll. There's no second guessing, and there's no runs to the hardware store to get the bolts that you need. This thing includes everything you need. And talking about the parts, what you get with a disc brake at the wheel conversion kit is you get brand new rotors with the studs already installed. You get USA made Timken wheel bearings, dust caps, and new castle nuts and cotter pins, and you get a brand new single piston caliper that includes new brake pads and also brake pins. Also included with each kit are rubber flex lines, a brand new CAD plated mounting bracket for your calipers, a brand new spindle, and we also include brand new dust plates, or backing plates some people call these. Look, a lot of times these things are bent or damaged beyond use. We include them with this kit to make it as complete as possible. So that's essentially the At the Wheel disc brake conversion kit. Now, what you get with this thing are some options that you can also upgrade to. And what's neat about this kit is it's very economical. Even though the components themselves are high quality, high-end parts, buying stuff as a kit oftentimes saves you money, and it absolutely saves you headaches in trying to find the right parts. These kits are matched. They're designed to work together. And upgrades for this At the Wheel brake kit includes drilled and slotted rotors as an upgrade from the standard solid rotor. Also, the standard kit comes with rubber flex lines that connect the caliper to the hard lines on the frame. And one of the other upgrades you can consider is a braided stainless steel flex line. Look, the rubber line's good. Braided stainless steel flex lines are even better. Also, if you're considering lowering your vehicle at some point in the near future, now's a great time to consider using our 2-inch drop spindle. You can either get the stock height or a 2-inch drop spindle with these kits, but if you're going to have these things all apart right now, now's an excellent time to lower your vehicle. Finally, the other option that you can have with this kit is you can get the calipers powder coated in either red or black. They come as cast, which is a silver looking one right here. Nice thing about powder coating, it's very durable. And if you have larger wheels or you have wheels with large windows in them, such as a Cragar SS or a torque thrust where you can really see the calipers, the colors that these things have really kind of help accentuate and give that car just a little bit more of a custom look. Look, these kits are very complete. They have every banjo bolt, every washer, every nut, every bolt, everything you need. All you have to do is spend a little bit of time on a Saturday afternoon, have a little bit of wheel bearing grease and some brake fluid, and you can have your front disc brakes upgraded to a disc brake conversion kit. The complete offering of the Right Stuff's disc brake conversion kits and also pre-bent fuel and brake lines can be found at leading restoration and performance retailers all across this great country. If you want more information on these components or the individual kits themselves, everything from mild to wild, the Right Stuff Brake Company has got you covered, and it has your vehicle's braking needs covered as well. Go to our super easy to use website at getdiscbrakes.com. I appreciate you watching, and when the details matter, make sure you ask for the Right Stuff Brake Company's disc brake conversion kits by name.